Hello and welcome again. This is a sandwich called how to make Boursin Garlic Fine Herbs McMuffin. First thing you gotta do is you peel apart or open the English Muffin and you put in the toaster and you let it toast for 4 minutes. And we gotta wait till the 4 minutes is over for the slices of the English muffins. For each English muffin, of course. Yep, we're waiting very patiently for the not the Egg McMuffins, the English muffins to toast until they are completely crispy or crunchy. Now, it's down to 4 bars left for 4 minutes and then it'll be ready to put the garlic and fine herbs Boursin onto one of each slice of the English muffin and put together to make it as an Boursin Garlic and Fine Herbs McMuffin, which that I'm inventing. If it hasn't been invented, then I'm the only one who invented it. And that's a good thing. Thank you. Okay, we're down to 1 bar left for 4 minutes, and hope it's gonna be completely crispy, crunchy. Not just like the chocolate bar, or maybe like a chocolate bar for crispy crunch, but it's gonna be crispy, crunchy English muffins. Now it's over. Now we can unplug the toaster again. And now, what we do is we get the Boursin, we have to now get the rest of the Boursin and put all together as one of the best Boursin McMuffins. Garlic and fine herbs. Now, see here, put together, and voila! Here is your Boursin Garlic and Fine Herbs McMuffin. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching. And have a nice day. Thank you. Thanks again for watching.